Hi and welcome back. In this video I'll be working on 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan and I'm gonna remove driver's side mirror. As you can see, it's broken and I need to replace it. This video is gonna apply to Dodge Grand Caravans from 2008 all the way up to 2020. To replace this side mirror, you will have to remove inside door panel and this little plastic piece. So we want to remove this plastic piece. You can use some kind of a plastic pry bar or something and just want to pop it out. Next step, we'll have to remove this door panel, but first we'll have to remove some screws from it. So we're gonna start with this one right there where is a door handle. Okay, we're gonna pry this out. Okay. Also there are some screws behind that little plastic piece as well, so we'll have to remove that as well. So to remove both of these screws, we're gonna use Torx number 20. Now when we have these two screws out, we'll have to remove this plastic indoor panel, and I'm gonna be using this pry bar to pry it out, and I'll be starting here. So yeah, the best way is to prying it out from like this corner and then the bottom, and now I got it mostly out, but I will not take it all the way out just because I have access here to unplug this side view mirror. So your side view mirror plug is this black one. So you wanna take it out. So I lower the panel lower a little bit without unplugging anything here, so I can have easier access to that side view mirror plug. So we need to unplug that plug now. So to unplug this plug, you'll have to lift up on this little tab, lift it up, and then just pull it out. Now the last bolt we need to remove is this one, 13mm bolt. This one holds the mirror in place. Now when that bolt is out, you'll have to just push this in and pull your side mirror out. Pull it all the way out. There we go. The old mirror is out. Now you can install your new mirror. You can feed the cable through this hole, and then we'll just have to plug it back in. And just simply plug it in. Don't forget to clip your door panel back inside. Put those screws back in right here and right there. Thanks for watching this video, and hopefully you can replace your side view mirror by yourself.